Nature and man, which one is the master? Which masters truth and asensual seeing? Why do I have a will to bow to her, inextricably etched to my being? Nature's love's playground, but darkness plays too. Fire and brimstone in livid disguise. Truth might be revealed, but blocking my view. My own image reflected in her eyes. How much knowledge does nature represent behind lies of sensual perception? How can I be through my senses content without due spiritual reflection? God gave us the world, and God gave us our sense and spirit to find what it represents.